Are you the best laundry baskets and hampers? Laundry baskets and hampers are essential household items that streamline the process of organizing and transporting laundry. Whether you're a college student managing dorm life, a parent juggling family laundry, or someone looking for a stylish and functional solution, the right laundry basket can make a significant difference. In this article, we compare 5 popular laundry baskets and hampers, ranging from budget to premium options, to help you make an informed decision. Product: Lifewit 2-Pack Laundry Hamper Large Collapsible. The Lifewit 2-Pack Laundry Hamper offers a budget-friendly solution with a collapsible design and freestanding structure. Each hamper boasts an impressive 80-liter capacity, making it suitable for households with moderate laundry needs. The reinforced handles ensure durability and ease of transportation, while the waterproof PE coating keeps stored items dry. Its lightweight construction and collapsible design make it ideal for compact spaces like dorms or RVs. In terms of performance, the Lifewit hampers stand upright reliably when properly balanced, although overloading can compromise stability. The polyester and cotton blend material is durable, but may show wear over time. Customers appreciate the portability and ample capacity, but some note that the fabric feels less premium compared to higher-priced models. Overall, this product is a great choice for budget-conscious buyers who prioritize functionality over aesthetics. Product number: Home Hacks 2-Pack Large Laundry Baskets. The Home Hacks 2-Pack Large Laundry Baskets offer a sleek and modern design with a freestanding structure and waterproof interior coating. Each hamper has a 75-liter capacity, making it slightly smaller than the Lifewit model, but still suitable for everyday use. The reinforced handles ensure durability during transport, and the collapsible design adds convenience for storage in tight spaces. While the Home Hacks baskets are praised for their stylish appearance and sturdy construction, they lack the ultra-large capacity of some competitors. The PEVA waterproof coating is effective for keeping clothes dry, but it limits cleaning options as machine washing is not recommended. This product is ideal for users who value aesthetics and moderate capacity over larger sizes. Product number: Soi Laundry Hamper with lid 100-liter large. The Soi Laundry Hamper stands out with its 100-liter capacity, lid for discreet storage, and removable inner mesh bag for convenience. Its sturdy construction includes thicker support rods and a reinforced MDF bottom panel, ensuring long-term durability. The imitation linen fabric with a waterproof coating adds a touch of elegance while resisting moisture and wear. This hamper excels in functionality and design, with the lid keeping laundry out of sight and the removable inner bag simplifying trips to the laundry room. The installation process is straightforward, and its collapsible design makes storage hassle-free. However, the larger size may not suit compact spaces, and its slightly heavier weight could be a drawback for users prioritizing portability. Product number 4. Sterilite Ultra Easy Carry Laundry Hamper. The Sterilite Ultra Easy Carry Laundry Hamper is a premium option designed for durability and ease of use. Made of BPA-free plastic, this 4-pack features integrated handles on all sides for effortless portability. The square hole pattern promotes airflow, keeping stored laundry fresh, while the reinforced rim adds stability for carrying heavy loads. Sterilite's design is ideal for families or users with high-volume laundry needs, thanks to its robust construction and ample 105 liters capacity per hamper. However, the plastic material, while durable, may lack the aesthetic appeal of fabric-based models. The higher price point reflects the quality and quantity of hampers provided, making it a worthwhile investment for users prioritizing longevity and functionality. Product number: Blisstos 3-Pack Laundry Basket. The Blisstos 3-Pack Laundry Basket offers a versatile and stylish solution for family or dorm use. Each basket has a 75L capacity and features a freestanding design with reinforced handles for durability. The PEVA waterproof interior ensures easy cleaning, while the collapsible construction allows for convenient storage. This set of 3 hampers provides excellent value for users needing multiple baskets. The gradient gray design adds a modern touch, and the sturdy construction ensures reliable performance. However, the 75L capacity may feel limiting for larger households, and the handles, while durable, may not be as ergonomic as those on premium models. Overall, Blisstos is a great mid-range option for users seeking style and practicality.